Hello children, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to learn finger counting. So let's begin. This is number 1. So when you want to show it with your finger, show your pointer finger. 1. Number 2. With your finger, 1, 2. 2 fingers. 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fingers. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the last number, 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. So keep practicing counting on your fingers. See you in next class. Thank you.